Okay, let's go link this to the website. Okay, I said we go to find a website and copy. If you don't like this website, I can take you to another website, beauty. Let's say beauty shop.
Mister, you recording?
I'll just do this website. Uh, huh? Where is that? Okay. Here you go, guys. I'll copy this link and go to my Excel sheet and right click on the picture. So right click on the picture. It says edit because I already put it. Okay. I'm going to click on this and then come to the bottom. You have to paste that website. Okay. See at the bottom here, paste it. When you paste, then click OK. Now come here and click. You see the hand sign, it means it is linked to something when you see the hand sign. So click on this. When you click on this, it will take you to the website, okay? To the website which you link to it. Okay, that's number one. If you want to link this to your page, like you have 2-3 pages, then you have to do, let's see, I will link this here. Right click, I'll link it to where is that link? Hyperlink. Okay, I want to link to the other page. Okay, you can choose one cell or you can choose many cells. It's up to you. I chose this cell and then I'm going to come here, find which page I'm going to link. I'm going to link this to page number 2. Okay, can you see here we have different options. You need to find which page is yours. You can do to another file as well because these are only one file. In one file you have like 4 pages. You can link to the file inside the file or you can link it to the other file as well. Okay, this is what I'm linking now with the file, the page inside my file. Okay, click on this. Now when you go click on this thing, it will take you to the other page, okay, which you have it.
Mister?
That makes sense?
Mister, what's the purpose?
Huh?
What's the purpose?